All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our artificial intelligence course, and we're still doing our optimization module. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, we did have to start a new optimization module. Our last one got kind of long, so we did start a new one. We're going to pick up where we left off. So it turns out that without having to do any additional search, just by enforcing our consistency, we were able to actually figure out what the assignment of all the variables should be without needing to backtrack at all. And the algorithm to do this is called maintaining our consistency. This is the definition here. Maintaining our consistency is an algorithm for enforcing our consistency every time we make a new assignment. So sometimes we can enforce consistency using the AC3 algorithm at the very beginning of the problem before we even begin searching in order to limit the domain and the variables in order to make it easier to search. But we can also take advantage of the interleaving of enforcing our consistency with search, such that every time in the search process we make a new assignment, we go ahead and enforce our consistency as well to make sure we are just eliminating possible values from domains wherever possible. And how we do this, let me go down just a tad bit so you can see. So maintaining our consistency. When we make a new assignment to X, we call AC3 starting with Q of all arcs, YX, where Y is a neighbor of X. So this is really just equivalent to every time we make a new assignment to variable X, we'll go ahead and call our AC3 algorithm. This algorithm that enforces our consistency on a constraint satisfaction problem. And we go ahead and call that starting with the Q of all the arcs that we want to make consistent with X. This thing that we just made in assignment 2, talking about the X. So all arcs YX, where Y is a neighbor of X, like something that shares a constraint with X, for example. Now we did a lot more note taking. We actually went over some pseudo code of how we would implement the new inference ideas into our backtrack function, and that's this here. And then we did take some more notes, but I'm not going to go over everything tonight. We are probably going to be wrapping up the optimization soon. We are on a full file, so I'm pretty sure we'll be wrapping it up soon and starting something new. But of course, I'll keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy, and you guys stay Gucci.